That's what really separates us, is that we're leveraging technology as a tool to really empower the human experience and empower advisors to provide that advice and counsel, which really the insurance industry is founded on.
Tell us about Apollo, its origin story, what its mission is, and then also what sets it apart from other online insurance providers.
Apollo, our vision is to be the most customer-centric insurance business in the world. And we have a mission that we want an industry where computers do the work so people can build relationships. And I think that that's what really separates us from a lot of the other online insurance providers out there, is that you might find online insurance providers, it really is paired with limited human interaction, limited support. Whereas our mission is really, we're trying to empower the broker and really, empower them to be more efficient with their time so they can provide that advice and counsel to the end consumer. So the idea is that whatever way the consumer wants to purchase, we're there for them. If they want to go online, have a quote, never interact with a human being, they can go through that experience. Or if they want to talk to us on live chat, or if they want to pick up the phone. And I think that's what really separates us, is that we're leveraging technology as a tool to really empower the human experience and empower advisors to provide that advice and counsel, which really the insurance industry is founded on.
No, that's very interesting. And from my reading, it seems that that is the direction that the industry is moving in, albeit the big providers, I think, taking some time to get there, and which is why we're seeing, so many great companies like Apollo really filling that gap. It's a single word, insurance and technology put together, and it's really taken off in the last few years. And it's interesting because there are a few competitors in the space. So let's talk about Apollo and how it works. So if you could give us a brief overview of the offerings, what are some of your competitive advantages compared to some other counterparts in the market?
For sure. So, Apollo, we have two distribution models. Early on, we only had one distribution model, and then we opened up a second thereafter. So our core model from day one, at least as long as I've been a part of Apollo, going on about 2.5 years now, is that we distributed our insurance products through our insurance broker network. So that's a wholesale B2B model where we distribute our insurance products on a white labeled format. So consumers can log in or go to their kind of mom and pop shop insurance brokerage and buy digital insurance products. Now, that was a way for us to get distribution. During that journey, we saw some other opportunities, particularly on the technology side, where we were able to potentially embed our insurance products into other experiences. So that's where we actually started what we now call our embedded partnership side of the business. So that's a direct insurance model. And we got licensed across Canada. One example would be we embed our tenant insurance products into resident mobile apps. So, if you're a new tenant moving into an apartment building, you download this resident mobile app, you do your maintenance requests, you book your elevator, and then you can also purchase insurance. And it'll pre-populate a lot of the information on your building. You only have to answer a few simple questions. It'll send a notification to your landlord, and you can just get on with your day. So those are our two models. So one is B2B through wholesale insurance brokerages, and then the other is embedded partnerships, which is a direct-to-consumer model through our partners.
So you mentioned tenant insurance, but you also offer business insurance and home insurance. Am I correct?
Yes, we do.
What is the breakdown? Do you find you're serving many small businesses, but also residents, or is it primarily small businesses?
It's primarily small businesses to date. Our embedded partnership model really revolves a little bit more around personal lines, which we call like tenant insurance, home insurance, condo owners insurance, just given the nature of the partnerships and how transactional that type of business can be. In our wholesale channel, where we partner with insurance brokerages, it is very dominated by small business insurance products. And so we have a suite of, a few thousand different types of industry classes that we're able to provide quotes, and customers, small businesses, can purchase all online. And then we have our personal line segment as well. If there's one last thing I'd like to highlight is that, for anyone who's listening out there, Apollo Row is looking for good people. We're hiring consistently. And so if you take a look at our careers page, take a look at a few of the roles. I think a lot of people, they hear the word insurance, they think it's a boring industry. I personally didn't think that I was going to end up in insurance when I was in university, but it is a very exciting industry, and it's a very exciting time. And there's a lot of innovation happening. And so if you're someone that is interested in working for a fast growth startup, great culture, check out our careers page and have a look. And we look forward to speaking with you.
Amazing. And Josh, if you could just tell our viewers what the website is.
Yeah, our website is Apollo, APOLLO, cover.com. So apollocover.com. And if you go there, you can find any small business or personal lines insurance product. And of course, our careers page where we post all of our new roles.